Hello viewers and welcome back to our channel. Today I will unbox a new product for you. This is Dylect Tyre Inflator. It's a portable type inflator and you don't need to connect to your 12 volt socket. So it's very handy and you can carry it with your glove box easily. It's small in size. And let's see what are the things you are getting in this particular product. You get a user manual where all the details about it is given, and this model is Turbo Max 600 and we brought it at around 1800 rupees during this Amazon sale. So this is the tire inflator unit and this is the nozzle. This is a very short size because in this type of inflator the nozzle normally remains short, and you can attach it like this. Very simple and very easy. Okay, it also acts as your power bank, and this is your charging USB port, and this one is for if you need to connect it through 12 volt socket. Suppose you need to give inflation to more than 2 tires, and then you may require additional power. So for that they have provided this additional 12 volt socket with which you can use like normal traditional cylindrical tire inflators, the USB cable, some extra nozzles if you have a football, any product that requires air inflation. So these are the nozzles. It can be used in cycles and motorcycles too, and a bag to carry it. So how to switch it on? Just press on the power button for more than 3 seconds and it powers on, and again long press, it powers off. There's an emergency function like this. It acts as a torch light. You can also use it as a like this. So these are very helpful if you are in distress. This is an added feature of this particular unit, and this is for your increasing and decreasing your PSI, and this is the measurement that you require.
Price কত দিয়ে?
The price is around 1800, and we have purchased this in this Amazon particular this festival sale at an offer. Soon come out with a detailed demonstration and review of this product, and I will show you how it works, and I will also do a comparison with normal traditional cylindrical type tire inflators, and we'll see how much efficient it is.